Welcome dear creatives. In this video I'll be showing you how to make Awolowo cap or Ebuka cap the easiest way. Just follow my lead, you will understand. I have this material here that I'll be using to cover my carry board. I have my carry board here, and then I have this glue, shoemaker's glue. Yeah, you can use a Evo stick too if you wish. I have my scissors. So the measurement of my carry board is 18 inches by 2.3 inches. Okay, yeah, 18 inches by 2.3 inches. So the measurement of my fabric is 18.5 inches by 5.3 inches. Okay, so you can use any fabric for your covering. Then apart from the carry board, you can use Marco. Some people use Marco, some use foam. So I'm going to take this to my machine and stitch from one end to the other end. Okay, the right side facing each other. So I'm done, and then I folded it. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to take my carry board, okay, and then I'm going to fold it. There's this other small piece of carry board. You can just use about the same 2.3 inches width, but the length should just be about 2 inches or 1.5. You will use it to join the two ends of your carry board. Now please note that this Awolowo cap we are making is for a kid. If you want to make for an adult, just get, in fact, whoever you're making for, get the head circumference of the person. That's what you'll be using. So keep watching and learning. Remember to practicalize. So remember that when you put your gum, allow some air into it before you stick them together. If you have watched up to this point, kindly give me a thumbs up, kindly like this video, comment, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification button so you will not miss out on my weekly DIY videos that I drop every Wednesday by 3 p.m. If you're new to my channel, thank you for stopping by, and my returning subscribers, thank you for coming back. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is to take my carry board and place inside of my fabric. Just watch closely and then you will understand what I'm doing. Remember to practicalize. Right now I'm going to just place this shape on my carry board and get a circular shape. I'll give just very few inches away from the shape. Like, just watch what I'm going to do and you'll be able to get it right. Yeah, so now after doing this, I'll also cut out a circular pattern using this particular circular piece. I'll cut it off on my fabric. Yes, the same fabric that I'll be using to cover the top. Okay, so just keep watching and learning. Remember to practicalize. So right now I'm going to apply some of my glue on the surface of my circular carry board, and then I'm going to take my fabric, the circular fabric, and attach it on circular carry board. So it has to be the wrong side of your fabric that you will use to cover the glued part of your carry board, of your circular carry board. So you can see how I'm carefully attaching this. That's how you should do yours. And then it will come out very neat and beautiful. The next thing I did here was to actually line the inside. If you were my student, if you've taken part in especially my 2 weeks intensive fascinator making training, you would know how to properly line your headpiece. Yeah, I explained 2 ways of properly lining your headpiece. So you can use the same method to actually do this. So that's basically what I did, and this is how beautiful our Awolowo / Ebuka cap came out. Okay, so at this point I'm just trying to ensure that it comes out very neat, so that's why you see me doing all these adjustments. Please try out yours, I would love to see it. Okay, so and then this is the wearer. Thank you for watching.